How to get the Instagram request support form. Hey guys, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can get the Instagram request support form. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all, you have to go in your app store or the play store that you are using, and here you have to go on the search and you have to simply search for the Instagram. Now once you are in here, you just have to scroll down and you have to click on the Instagram and make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So once you check your Instagram application on your Play Store or the App Store, after that you just have to go back and open up your Instagram. So now once you are in here, in the bottom right corner there is the option of your profile. You just have to click on it, and from here in the three horizontal lines that is in the top right corner, you just have to click on it, and from here you have to go on the settings and the privacy. Now once you are in the settings and privacy of your Instagram, here you have to scroll down and here is the option of the help. You have to click on it, and from here you just have to go on the report a problem, and from here you just have to shake your phone, and after that you are able to report a problem. Or you can also turn off this option to shake phone to report a problem. After that you just have to simply click on the report a problem, and here you have to include and continue this, and from here you just have to briefly explain that what happened or what is not working in your Instagram. And the second option is you just have to go back, and here in the help there is the option of the help center. You have to click on it, and from here you can find out your problem that is happening in your Instagram, and after that you just have to submit your request. So that's how you can get the Instagram request support form. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel, and see you in the next video.